Did you know that just adding one salad to your daily meals can help you cut hundreds of calories while still feeling full and satisfied? Today, we're transforming salads from boring diet cliches into vibrant, delicious meals that make healthy eating a joy. Welcome to Healthy Plates, where we're all about eating smarter and living better. If you think salads are bland, think again. In this video, we're diving into exciting salad recipes for weight loss that are packed with flavor, easy to make, and perfect for your health goals. Let's face it, when we think of healthy eating, we often picture plain lettuce and sad tomatoes. No wonder so many people find it hard to stick to their diet. The problem isn't the idea of eating healthy, it's the lack of variety and creativity. Salads don't have to be boring, though. With the right ingredients and a bit of imagination, they can be the most exciting part of your meal plan. Today, we'll tackle the challenge of making salads you'll actually crave. First up, we have the zesty Mediterranean delight. Ingredients: fresh spinach, cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, olives, feta cheese, and a drizzle of lemon olive oil vinaigrette. Why it works: packed with fiber, healthy fats, and zesty flavors, it's a refreshing choice for weight loss. Next is the protein-packed chicken avocado bowl. Ingredients: grilled chicken breast, avocado, mixed greens, quinoa, and a tangy lime dressing. Why it works: this one is perfect for staying full longer, thanks to its protein and healthy fat combo. Finally, try the Asian Crunch Rainbow Salad. Ingredients: shredded red cabbage, carrots, edamame, bell peppers, sesame seeds, and a miso ginger dressing. Why it works: vibrant colors mean it's loaded with antioxidants, and the dressing adds a savory twist. Now, let's spotlight the star of today's video, the tropical superfood salad. Ingredients: kale, mango chunks, avocado, toasted coconut, and a light honey-lime dressing. Why it shines: this salad is a game changer. The sweetness of mango pairs beautifully with a creamy avocado, while toasted coconut adds a surprising crunch. You won't even remember this is a weight loss meal. So, there you have it, 4 vibrant and exciting salads that will revolutionize the way you think about healthy eating. Not only are these salads delicious, but they're also quick to make and perfect for any weight loss journey. What's your go-to salad ingredient? Comment below, I'd love to know. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips and recipes to make healthy eating easy and fun. Check out our next video for even more ideas to crush your goals.